Hi, I am Biggy. I am new in Clockology fans group. I joined the group but I do not know where and how to start. I saw a lot of amazing watch faces, but how these watch faces will be on my watch.
Hello, my name is Britney. I always make sure my Apple Watch and my fashion of the day goes together. Since I installed Clockology, I already downloaded many of beautiful watch faces. But most of the time, I need a watch face with same brand of my dress. There are many watch faces but hard to find the specific brand I want.
Yo, I am Luke. I love Clockology, but suddenly my watch stopped syncing, and last night all my watch faces are gone.
Do you know that you can solve all these simple problems in just one simple magic? Yes, you heard it right. It's magic. Let me teach you how to do this magic trick. First, you have to make sure that you are inside the Clockology fans group, because the magic doesn't work outside the group. Secondly, on the upper right corner, you will see this search icon. Tap the magic search icon. Then just type any keyword or phrase you want to search. And definitely you will find a lot of post result to your query. And now, Biggy got his watch face into his watch, Britney able to find Gucci watch face to match her outfit, and Luke found the coolest watch face to download. So don't forget to use the magic group search before posting. Thanks for watching and see you in Clockology fans group.